Hey guys, welcome back to Deborah's Tutorials. Okay, I just did a tumbler and guess what? I got a little ghosting at the seam. So I'm going to break out my Cricut Mini Press and we are going to see if I can fix it. How about that? All right. So here is the tumbler that I did. All right. Move this out the way. All right, so here's the tumbler I did. And as you can see, right there, I have some ghosting. So I looked at my print, and as you can see, right there at the top, there is a little ghosting. So I'm going to see if I can fix that using my mini press. So I'm actually going to try to line it back up as best as I can. And that looks pretty good. All right, and I turned my mini press on. I put it on high. So now I am just going to see if I could press it on there. And I'm not touching the tumbler, the part that's already sublimated. I'm actually holding it right to the end of the sublimation paper. And I'm going to hold this here. And as a matter of fact, let me set my timer. And I'm going to hold it here for about 4 minutes as I would resublimate it out in the oven. Now this is an experiment. I hadn't tried fixing ghosting at the seam. I have tried using the Cricut Mini Press to add. I had one tumbler that I forgot to put the lady's name on there. And once I got reminded, I went back in and printed her name and added it to the tumbler. And you can do that as long as you're not trying to add a name in white. If you're trying to add it in white, you're out of luck because you cannot add a name in white, but you can add any other color to it. So I'm going to see if I can use this method to fix some ghosting at the seam. And if I can, this is a game changer, you guys. And this will save you from having to resublimate the tumbler. You know, go outside and rebake the whole tumbler just to fix the ghosting. Because the more you bake it, to me, it's going to dull your tumbler. And I don't want to do that. I just want to, I really just trying to add or fix this ghosting at the seam. And you guys, I did all of that and didn't even turn my doggone watch on the timer. So I'm just going to peek at it for right now and see. It's looking a little bit better. I actually need some more purple, though. It's not too bad. Let me see. I could add a little more purple to it, but let me see what I got. I got one that I am not going to use, where are you at? Is it this one? And to be honest, I think it is supposed to be a little bit lighter because you can tell by the print. So what I'm thinking is ghosting is really not ghosting, but I'm gonna see if I can make it darker. This is one that I don't really need, so I'm just gonna cut. I'm just cutting out this darker purple spot right here. And I'm gonna tape it right here. I'm gonna tape it right there. And then I'm just gonna put this over it as protection. And we're gonna try it again. This time I'm gonna set my timer this time, okay guys? 4 minutes. All right. I'm just gonna rub this around. We're gonna hold it here. Right now we're going on almost a minute. We'll see how it's gonna turn out. I'm just rubbing back and forth a little bit to make sure I don't miss any areas. Making sure not to touch the part of the tumbler that's already been sublimated. All right, countdown. We're almost to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And I am, like I said, putting pressure down on it as well. About 2 minutes left. Actually, I'm gonna see what this is looking like right here. That's good, you guys. Look. That fixed it. I fixed it. So it works. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, guys. So that is how you can fix some ghosting at your seam using the Cricut Mini Press. That's impressive. I like that. Oh, you know, started something now. Wow, it really worked. Okay. All right, guys. Well, that right there is how you fix ghosting using your Cricut Mini Press. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, go ahead and join my Facebook group. I do post my tutorials in there as well. I will add all the links in the description. All right, you guys, take care.